Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install and configure an FTP server on Windows Server 2025 step by step. Using FTP Server, you can easily share files between users, computers, and remote systems inside or outside your organization. So let's get started. First, open Server Manager. Now click on Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Select role-based or feature-based installation. Choose your Windows Server 2025 machine and click Next. From Server Roles, expand Web Server IIS. Now expand FTP Server. Select FTP Service. FTP Extensibility. Click Add Features if prompted. Continue clicking Next and finally click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes. After installation completes, click Close. Now open Internet Information Services, also known as IIS Manager. On the left side, right-click Sites and select Add FTP Site. Enter your FTP site name. Now browse and select the folder you want to share through FTP. Click Next. Here, select the server IP address. You can keep port 21 as default. For SSL settings, select No SSL for lab environment, use SSL for production environment for better security. Click Next. Now configure authentication and authorization. Enable Basic Authentication. For authorization, select Specified Users. Enter the Windows username. Select Read and Write permissions as required. Click Finish. Now let's test the FTP server. Using FileZilla. Transfer file from local computer to FTP server. If everything is configured correctly, you will successfully connect to the FTP server. Now you can upload and download files securely. For production environments, I recommend using SSL certificates, strong passwords, limited user permissions, firewall restrictions, regular backup and monitoring. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more Windows Server tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.